Did you know that your own body is an awe-inspiring marvel of nature filled with wonders, quirks, and surprises? It's a bustling metropolis of life, with around 3 pounds of you composed of bacteria, fungi, and other tiny organisms. Far from being unwanted tenants, these micro-inhabitants are critical for your good health. They help you digest food, protect against disease, and even regulate your mood. So, let's appreciate this fascinating ecosystem within us. Yes, you are more than just you are a thriving microcosm. Shocking but true, over 70% of your brain and heart are simply water. This vital liquid forms the foundation of our bodies, serving as a transport medium for nutrients, hormones, and waste products. It's the river that flows through us, keeping every cell in our bodies alive and functioning. Water is the lifeblood of our brain's operations and the rhythm of our hearts. It's the unsung hero that keeps us ticking. Your lungs? They're a whopping 80% water. When you come into this world, your tiny body contains about 300 bones. Yes, that's right. Our skeletal system starts off more complex than you might think. As we toddle into childhood and march into our teenage years, something fascinating happens. Our bones begin to fuse together. This is particularly noticeable in areas like the skull and the spine. By the time we reach adulthood, a third of those bones have joined forces, bringing the count down to just 206. Did you also know your body has an organ with a serious healing superpower? That's right. Let's talk about your liver. This vital organ, tucked away in your abdomen, possesses a remarkable regenerative ability. Imagine this. Even if you lose over half of your liver, it can grow back to its original size. This is due to the liver's cells, called hepatocytes, that have the power to replace lost tissue with new cells. Your liver has the incredible ability to regenerate, even when cut almost in half. Your body is constantly changing, renewing, and regenerating. It's like your body is in a perpetual state of spring, continually refreshing itself. Imagine this, each month your skin sheds its old layer to reveal a new one, like a snake shedding its skin. Your blood, the vital fluid coursing through your veins, is completely replaced about every 4 months. Even your bones, those seemingly rigid structures, are not static. They subtly reshape themselves, generating new bone cells every decade. You get a new layer of skin every month, fresh blood every 4 months, and brand new bone cells every decade. Every beat of your heart is unique. This mighty organ, nestled within your chest, rhythmically pumps blood throughout your body. But did you know there's a twist? A woman's heart and a man's heart don't beat the same. It's not about strength or vigor, but rather about size. You see, a woman's heart is typically smaller, and to compensate, it beats faster. So each heartbeat is distinct, not just from person to person, but also between genders. In fact, a woman's heart usually beats faster than a man's because it's smaller and works harder to pump blood around the body. And talk about uniqueness, your right lung harbors more air than your left, but it's shorter to accommodate your liver beneath it. You see, our bodies are designed with a meticulous balance. The right lung is divided into 3 lobes, making it larger and more air-capable. However, it's also slightly shorter to make room for the liver. The left lung, with only 2 lobes, is smaller but longer. It's a fascinating asymmetry, a perfect harmony of function and space. So even inside you, there's a balance of power and space. And get this, in a rare phenomenon, 1 in 10,000 people are born with reversed organs, everything inside them flipped around. This is known as situs inversus. It's as though someone held a mirror up to their body and flipped everything horizontally. Heart on the right, liver on the left, it's a fascinating quirk of human biology. While it can come with some health challenges, most people with situs inversus live perfectly normal lives. Yes, some people are literally a mirror image of you. From the uniqueness of your eyes to the extraordinary capabilities of your muscles and bones, the human body is a fascinating, complex system. A microcosm teeming with life, a water-filled vessel, a dynamic structure of bones that change as we grow, an organ with the power to regenerate, a body that renews itself constantly, a heart with its unique beat, asymmetrical yet perfectly functioning lungs, and even the rare phenomenon of reversed organs. Next time you take a moment to appreciate the intricacies of your own body, remember that you are indeed a wonder of nature. Feel free to share this video with your friends who might enjoy these astonishing human body facts. Engage with us, comment your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe for more mind-blowing content. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts about the world we live in. Until then, stay curious.